Well, over in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan's ugly designs stand exposed as alignment of a 150-meter tunnel reveals that it has been built from Pakistan. But an alert BSF thwarting Pak Army's plan to infiltrate terrorists into the Indian side.
August 2012, the Indian Army foils Pakistan's infiltration ploy by sealing this cross-border tunnel in Samba sector. A lot has changed 2 years on, but evidently not along the line of control. 10 days ago, Times Now broadcast the story of another terror tunnel in the Akhnur sector along the line of control.
The nefarious and the ugly designs of the Pakistan are completely exposed. With the coming up of the fence and installation of the surveillance gadgetry on the line of control and international border, and Pakistan had not been able to infiltrate terrorists, and they had failed in their designs. And further, they had tried to escalate the tension on the border, the firing shells, so that they can break the counter-infiltration grid. But they have not succeeded in their mission. So now they are using the subterranean means of infiltration into this side of the border.
10 days later, details have emerged as the Indian Army, using advanced equipment, have traced it to the other side of the border.
Pakistan's ugly design exposed. With the help of ground-penetrating radar and other equipment, Army has finally been able to find out alignment of underground tunnel that was detected on August 22nd in Akhnur sector. This 150-meter long tunnel is dug 20 feet under the ground to infiltrate terrorists, and it originates from Pakistan's side.
आप सरहद के करीब रहते हो, बदकिस्मती आपकी ये कि हमारा पड़ोसी मुल्क जो है वो किसी वजह हमारे साथ अच्छे ताल्लुकात और अच्छे रिश्ते नहीं चाहते.
So, when the Pakistan Army meets the ITS Indian counterparts at the border and plays victim while indulging in ceasefire violations, this tunnel, impossible to build without sophisticated army equipment, is a reminder of the peace farce, a proof of the proxy war waged against India. Bureau Report, Times Now.